Hey, here we have a theme from Templatic called Consultant. This site is really great for someone who is looking to have a professional website online, such as a resume website or just a website that's showcasing what you do as a professional. If you want to feature maybe books that you've written or products that you've created or things like that, this website is definitely geared towards that. Could be used for a number of other things too. But that's generally the idea of this one. So here in the header area, you've got different navigational links here at the top, and then a quick bio slash photo area here in the header, and then this featured panel, which kind of cycles through different things that you have posted as far as featured articles. So you can just imagine any kind of article that you might want to post here to showcase any number of things. And then you've got all these widgetized areas at the bottom, which allow you to put WordPress widgets in these areas, as well as here in the footer. Some of the cool things here, if you click on the services page, you'll see that it allows you to post posts in a pretty unique way, with the photo being so large to the left and then a quick description and title to the right. You can post interesting topics or products or anything that you might be trying to advertise with this website. This recognition page is kind of neat too because of the fact that it's really, the design of it is geared towards testimonials. So you can post up testimonials quickly and easily using that page. Basically the way that it works is that it uses a WordPress page template. So when you go to create a page, you just want to cycle through and pick the page template that you want it to be. So let's take a look at the back end and see how that works. So here in the back end of WordPress for the consultant theme, Templatic have included a lot of options. It comes with a bunch of theme skins. In this case there's 5, and what the skin does is changes up the color scheme and certain parts of the look and feel. So right off the bat you've got a lot of different options to work with as far as the skin and the way that it looks and feels. From there's tons of other options here that you can see. Basically they allow you to control any number of things that would go along with the look and feel of the site. And here, as I was saying about the pages, here in the page area, you can see that if we go to the recognition page, that in the style sheet for this theme, they have included basically certain block quote tags that will create that look and feel like those testimonials that we were talking about. So in here, you just need to put the quote in block quote HTML tags. Very simple to do, and once you do it, you'll know how to do it from there on in, and that will create the visual style of that, basically of that testimonial. Now if we check out the services page, you can see that they've done the same thing. They've added the image here into the blog, and then the title and the description as well. So you can lay out this page pretty much any number of ways that you want, and basically if you do that, that's the way that it's going to show. So that's basically a standard WordPress function. Finally, we'll take a look at the widgets area here. If you look at the appearance and widget under WordPress in the back end, you can see that they've included a whole bunch of different sidebar areas. But they're technically not sidebar areas in this case because they display in different areas. So you can see there's a front page sidebar, but then there's also front page content 1, front page content 2, inner page sidebars, and also footer widgets. So any of these areas are places that you can drop in different widgets, which is kind of a cool way of creating different content on your page without having to go into the code and change the nitty-gritty parts of it. So using widgets, they've given you a lot of power and control over how to lay out this theme in a way that you would want. So if you're looking to set up a personal website or a business website, the consultant theme from Templatic might be a great way to go just because of the way that it's laid out.